Hi, I'm Alvin from the Philippines. I take over. So for today's video, I'm letting you know that I have a channel.
So kinagagalap po magkilala ka ako tato po, hapo po.
I'm Danil from Russia and subscribe to my Instagram. I'm English teacher in Russia.
Oh, welcome back to my channel. Danil is gonna do his thing for us. So with Tasco and Alvin, of course.
Yeah, I brought some snacks from Russia for guys. Like some things. For example, I brought Gushonka.
Gushonka.
Yeah. Gimotadya.
Kimatukie.
Okay. Our Russian chocolate. Yeah, Alyonka.
Alonka.
It's like traditional Russian chocolate. It's really popular, famous brand in Russia.
Alyon.
Yeah, Alyon. Yeah.
The king.
The king. Yeah, the king.
The king.
It's Yukula. Yukula. It's like dried deer. This is Gimotadya.
Gimatsugian.
Yeah.
Is it made of a Dacian dog?
What? You
We'll find out.
Yeah. Do you try it in the museum?
What?
I will tell you.
Oh my god.
What is it made from? Milk and
okay.
sugar.
Alright.
Yeah, milk. Yeah.
Why do you have a baby picture on the label?
No, they make like here. Yeah.
Traditional clothing.
Alright, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Excited. Smells like Cadbury.
I taste the milk more than the cacao. Sweet. More on the milk is like
Sweet. I like it. Actually, I like it. I would give it a 10 out of 10.
maybe 6. I'm not into super sweet chocolate. Yeah, I prefer the bitter one.
Definitely 10.
I'm so glad.
I like it, but it's
Watch out.
It's just
haunting you.
it's just I want more darkness on it. Dark. But it's okay. Grasp the sweetness. There's this thick feeling that you get, like creamy something.
Yeah, very creamy.
Yeah, it's like Gushonka, yeah, and it's Gushonka. It's usually people buy it in events. Yeah. Who wants to open it?
The rainbow.
The rain.
I'm not a familiar.
Okay. Like what this? Are you afraid? Like you bake so small?
Condensada nga.
Yep, it's condensed milk.
Yeah, condensed milk.
Let's move. We can
Yeah.
do such thing.
Yeah,
Like
we do.
the same form in can.
Yes.
Yes.
Like let's do.
You mix it with your
Coffee or what?
Yeah, people use it differently. Yeah, like they can put it in coffee. They can make add it in pasties. Make something with pasties and do this.
It's considered one of your snacks there. Just like add it as a topping for
Yeah, put it in something. Like people will differently really use it for various. Tail.
A cocktail.
Yeah, where must be.
To 7. 7 out of 10. I thought more heavier, but actually lighter than I thought.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 7.
Thanks.
7.
Mine, sorry, but I would give it a 5 because personally I don't like milk and it's too sweet
Yeah.
for me. So yeah, I would get diabetes. It's a 5.
For me, it's a 10. I like sweets, but I won't take it like I can use it for my milk tea. Bread.
Halo.
Halo.
Yes, pancakes. Yes.
Alright.
Actually, for me, I can eat it without anything.
How come you're not gaining weight?
Huh?
You're not gaining
In
weight.
childhood, I was like really fat because I ate really a lot of Gushonka. 3 cans at once.
Eh?
Yeah,
my
yeah,
God.
yeah. Without,
That's why you considered it as a snack. Because we don't consider it as a snack
Yeah,
at all.
I just thought that you don't have it. Yeah.
We do,
We do.
It's so peachy.
but not to the point that we're gonna gulp it.
Like,
We can.
yeah, we're gonna make it like a snack.
Sometimes Russians just make 2 holes and
From Herbalife.
Herbalife. Yeah, I think you have Herbalife here.
Yeah, we have
it.
it.
Yeah, it looks like to see.
Yeah. You can make a part. Yeah.
It's not sweet.
Yeah.
Just right. Around 3% sweetness.
like mint herb, like medicine.
There's like an
I mean-
orangey
An orange or
Orange, yeah, Martin.
soy protein.
Wow.
But this one's not from Russia.
Yeah, it's not from Russia.
It's just popular
I said I just took
Okay.
yeah, it's popular in Russia. It's popular.
yeah, have a right.
From
Yeah,
America.
we do.
America.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it's yeah, from the Philippines.
No, it's from America.
Herbalife dominating many countries for
Maybe
now.
this time I'm sorry. 3.5.
Ah, super low.
Like kind of thin.
It's okay for me.
Like super herb and then like medicine or like that.
For me, it's a 10. Sorry.
Yeah.
I hate to disagree. Because it's a different chocolate. Like, it's super healthy.
Yeah.
It's not super sweet. So, you're giving yourself the craving of eating some chocolate, but at the same time, you're not afraid of getting like a diabetes.
5.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Much better.
I'd rather have like something real protein than something on a bar. Like peanuts, almonds, cashews.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, give it again.
Give it again.
You must again.
Yeah.
Again? Again?
Now I just want you to try, and only then I will tell you what it's made from.
No. Yeah.
Like task already know. Yeah, but you don't know, Brian. Let's try it. Don't die, please.
Don't die.
It's nice. Reminds me of Lala.
Yeah, that's what I mentioned.
Ano, Lala?
Lala, like a Lala chocolate in the Philippines.
Lala. A thicker version of Lala. Do we still have Lala?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, I think it's time to say it. Yeah. What is made from? Yeah.
Blood of bull.
Oh, yeah.
So they use this kind of like a food supplement for those who have anemia.
Oh, I need it then. I need iron.
Iron.
Is it compatible with blood type O?
That's right. Oh.
I don't know.
My score for this is okay, 8.
Oh, you didn't expect.
It's sweet, but it's got health benefits.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if people in Russia are becoming healthy eating this, so no problem with it. Blood. I'm a vampire.
Yeah.
The next one, like Yukola.
Yukola.
Yeah, it's like scholastic what we have.
Yukola.
Yeah, it's the most weird, I think. Because even in Russia, not all Russians can get opportunity to try it. Because it's exactly from Siberia, from my native town, Ryell. It's far away, up the north. Meat of deer, dried meat of deer.
Oh.
Okay,
Wow.
take a piece.
Like a big chunk of deer.
Yeah, don't afraid.
It looks like the liver.
I smell the deer. It's crying out for help.
Yeah, I will try the first, check where, not in refrigerator. It's definitely meat, dried meat. Yeah.
Do you get health benefits from eating that?
Yeah, actually yes, there are a lot of nutritions.
You're eating it with a poker face.
Because it's European.
Okay, we'll give it a try. I mean, after the turning, but okay.
I'm so sorry, Rudolph.
Yeah, oh my god, Rudolph has been slain.
Hard to. Gosh.
I cannot eat it.
What's wrong?
I need water.
Are you fucking serious?
It's okay, but I don't know, it's my conscience that's fighting the thing.
Yeah, same. Like, I know it's a deer, so it's like, I cannot eat it. Yeah.
How to chew it? Super. Like become tasty.
The more you chew it, the more it gets tastier.
Talk about it. Honestly. Like
What?
no.
Thanks for bringing it for us.
Yeah. I appreciate Daniel. For now, I would give it a 0. Because I just can't eat here, but I appreciate that you come over for another country just to bring this
Yes.
wonderful snack.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it a 6. Still fast. Yeah.
And then you.
7.85.
They eat deer meat in Japan.
We have
The tapsi.
ボタン鍋。ボタン鍋。
Watanabe.
Deer hot pot.
Hot pot.
I remember.
That's deer.
Deer.
Okay.
Right.
Japan.
Japanese deer.
In Russia, in my native town, Narnos, everyone likes Yukula. Yukula. It's really cheap there, and it's like you can eat it every day. It's really cheap. But if you're not to Narnos, if you in another city, it's really expensive. People like it even, and they're ready to pay big money for this. It's like really for Russia. But if you want, give it a go. It's exactly what you want. It's fine and it is dog. But there is no dog. It's just that's just what to do.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Lomi.
Lomi.
Lomi Batanga. And then
Batanga.
Before Express.
Wow.
Definitely Before Express.
I told you I like egg.
Salted egg.
Salted egg. It was delicious. I really like it. So that's about you.
Well, why am I asking I'm Filipino? Definitely sinigang.
What's sinigang?
Sinigang, kind of like a sour soup.
Yeah, but I can. Too sour.
Yeah, perfect paired with rice. You should try it before you leave the Philippines.
Okay.
I definitely recommend you try that. And adobo.
Double?
Yep, adobo.
It's like
Marinade.
It's like pork and chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic. So for now, I'll be saying bulalo for now.
Yeah. Bravo, good.
Right.
Tinola.
Tinola, yeah.
Tinola.
Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you check out their YouTube channels and social media platforms.